Today you are going to create a table, write an equation, and make a graph. So here's just a little example that might help you with the equation writing part for later. The equation format in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, but it can also stand for the rate of change or the pattern that you see. B is the y-intercept, or what you start with. So in this pattern that we have here, we start with 2 narwhals. So that is the b value of our equation. Going from each group of narwhals, we're adding 3. So 3 would be our slope or the rate of change. Blank has $100. You can click here and put any name that you would like. They sign up for an online service to stream shows. The cost is $10 per month. At the very start of time, before they sign up, this person has $100. After 1 month, they pay that $10 for their service. So now they only have $90. So you're going to continue filling out the numbers in this table. I'll actually do the first view of this one. All right, so your equation will always start with y equals. Then it is your pattern. What are you changing by over and over and over? This one we're changing by 10, but it's decreasing by 10, so negative 10. And then we'll always put an x after that number. And then what did we start with? We started with 100. So at the very beginning, right here, we started with $100. So that is our equation. Then we're going to plot some points in the graph. So each of these is a coordinate pair. So this one is 1, 100. 0, 100. So we're going to take a dot. We're going to start here. This is where the origin would be. We're going to go over to 0 months. So basically we don't move at all. Hop on the elevator. We'll go up to $100. Then next is 190. So we'll go over to 1, up to 90. And then next over to 2, up to 80. You might not be able to fit all of the dots on your graph, and that's okay. Just plot what is able to fit. And then lastly, you'll connect your dots and have your line keep on going. Then to answer the questions, you can either look at your table, you can look at your graph, or you can use the equation. If you choose to use the equation, so like for this first question, it says, how much money will be in their piggy bank after 4 months? Well, up here it says months is X. So you can replace this X here with the number 4, and then just use PEMDAS to simplify and solve for Y. So for each of the questions, you're going to fill out the table first. You can either do the equation or the graph next, but do all 3 of those parts before you answer these final 2 questions. If you have any questions, send me an email.